welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I am Ritika. In today's video, we are continuing our series of building a directory website using the Beaver Builder and GeoDirectory plugin. In this video, we will see how to develop the single details page of our directory website. So let's get started. In the last video, we created archive page and search page. In this video, we will be creating detail page of a single listing. So we will be designing it through Beaver Builder and GeoDirectory plugin. So this is the default page, so we will be designing it. So coming on to the WordPress dashboard, then Beaver Builder, then Themer Layouts. Then add new Themer Layout, editing title to single detail and editing layout to singular, and type we will be keeping default. Then click on add new Themer Layout. Now we will set its location. Click on choose. We want to show for places, so we will be selecting places, then all places. Then we will publish it. Then click on launch Beaver Builder. Then coming on to the editor. So whatever it is showing here, this is of the default design. So we will be removing it from here. So let's remove these from here. We will be starting it from blank. So click on plus icon, then coming on to row, then take a full column. Then we will be adding our posts over here. We can add slider to it. So let's add slider, coming on to modules, then coming on to WordPress widgets, then choose GD post images shortcode, then add it here. Then coming on to general, we can set its image limit from here. So we are setting it to 12 and coming on to show limit it to 2. Then coming on to design and coming on to output type, we are editing it to slider type and auto stat to check. Uncheck the show title, keeping image size default. Then coming on to link, we are keeping it blank. Then wrapper style. Coming on to border radius, we are keeping it default. We can change it from here. Then coming on to advanced, editing margin to 0, then link it, then edit all size to 0, then save it. Then coming on to row settings, then on to the style, then coming on to the width, we are editing it to full width and then content width to full width. Coming on to advanced, margin is already 0, we are editing padding also to 0. Then we will link it, so all the values will be 0. Then we will save it. Then we will be adding a 2-column row below this, coming on to the plus icon, following the procedure. Then in the right column we will again take a 2-column. So in the right column, in the left box, we will be adding post rating. So from here style can be changed. Then from here other settings can be changed. Then coming on to the wrapper style, border color to none and alignment to right. In the right box we will be adding post favorite. So in this also we are doing, from here we can choose the icon color for when it will be off, and from this other section we can choose the icon color for when it will be on. So if the user chooses the favorite, the color will change and other is a default one. Coming on to positioning, alignment to right, then on to wrapper style, editing border color to none, then save it. Then coming on to column settings, then equalize height to yes and vertical alignment to center, and then save it. Then increasing the rating containers width. So in the left container box we will be adding the post title, So from here we will be taking the post title shortcode, then editing output type to H2, then font size to H2, and then wrapper style, keeping margin default, and then title to left align, and then save it. Now click on done and publish, and then check in the output. So here the post slider can be seen. Post title, post rating, favorite and unfavorite can be seen. On clicking onto the unfavorite, it is coming on to a bottom little bit. So to change it, we have to come on to the Beaver builder editor. So the rating container will be adjusted a little bit. So now below this we will be taking a 2-column row. So taking a 2-column row over here. So in the left column will be our tabs, and taking shortcode of GT single tab. So now our tab is added here. So output type head only. So then the tab will be just shown over here. Tab style we are doing tab. Then check remove separator line. Then it will remove the separated borders. So we will keep it on. Heading type to H2, and then coming on to the heading style. Then we can add here custom color. Then coming on to the wrapper style. So we are doing border color to none. Then we will be saving it from here. Then coming on to the plus icon, then single tabs shortcode will be added over here at the bottom of this, and then coming on to the output type, we are editing body only. Then checkbox show as a list. Then coming on to wrapper style, then editing its border color to none. Then coming on to advanced, editing top margin to 0, and then save it. Then clicking on the top tab setting, then coming on to its margin, editing bottom margin to 0, and then we will save it. So in the right container we will be adding the output location shortcode, through which the user can contact with the business owner of the listing. So coming on to the plus icon, then take output location shortcode, then coming on to its settings, let's take it over this side. So here output location has been added, so we will save it now. Then over the output location we will be adding a contact button, through which the user can contact with the listing owner. Then we will be adding here Ninja listing shortcode. Then coming on to its settings, then coming on to general, then selecting a form from here. So whatever form will be created by us in the backend, that will be displayed over here, and it can be selected by us from here. So from the Ninja form we have already created a form by before, so we are selecting it. Also change the text of the button. So editing it to contact. Coming on to design, we can also change the button color. We are keeping it default. Position, alignment can also be changed. So we are editing to left. Then save it. Now coming on to the row settings, editing its width to full width. Then save it. Then coming on to this row setting, then editing again to full width. Then coming on to its advanced, bottom padding to 0. Then save it. Then coming on to its style, keeping the background type to color, then we will be taking a color from here, adjusting the color, then save it. Now we will be adding color to the entire background container. So coming on to the settings, then coming on to style, then background type color, and then choose white from here as a color. Then border radius, editing it to 12, and then link it. Now we will save it. So for the second row, similarly we will be editing its color to white. Following the same process, also editing its border radius to 12 and then link it and save it. Between both the columns there are no gaps, so we will be adding some gaps. So coming on to the column settings, coming on advanced, editing left margin to 20 pixel and then save it. Of this rows, this columns, padding which we had done 0, we will be editing it to 20 and then save it. Then click on done button and then publish it. Then coming on to the output for checking the result. So now slider is added, post title, rating, favorite and favorite. Also on clicking onto the tab, these photos and information can be shown. On clicking map, maps can be seen. On clicking review, review section appears. Here our output, location, details of the listing, contact details of the listing owners have come over here. Also on clicking the contact button, the contact form is opening. So this was our today's video of listing single detail page. So in the next video we will be in add listing page. So do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update and get the videos at earliest.
We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.